All right, thank you much there, Tamara. So if you're right now looking for a meaningful, practical gift, let's say you want to give for the holidays, you may want to consider one that brings peace of mind long after the holidays are over. Helping someone create their food storage definitely does that. Nathan Yearsley is the president of Augason Farms and nationally trusted leader in emergency food storage. Now, Nathan, I'll be honest, food storage was not one of those things top of mind when I'm thinking about giving gifts. Why is emergency food storage something that is a good gift for the holiday?
Can I upend that whole question?
Sure.
All right. I didn't bring just food storage. I brought soups. You can have the gift of, I've been out shoveling the walk, take 8 cups of water, get it boiling, put the soup mix in, walk away from it. When you come back in from cleaning everything up, assuming we ever get snow, you've got a hot meal. It tastes fantastic, and these are super good. I brought pancake mix. It is... remember, Christmas morning, everybody together, the right smells, the right food, and ours tastes fantastic. If you don't use it this year, it's packaged for 25 years.
Now, when you talk about it that way, right, you think about, okay, food storage doesn't have to be something that you think about just a pile of grain or right. Big bulky flour or something like that. It could be things like this that last.
Yeah, it's exactly what it is. This is food you can eat every day, and a lot of our customers do. And it's also, this is 72 hours worth of food for one person in a kit. Okay.
Oh, so you need those. I mean,
you need those. Buy one of those and slide it under the front seat of your car, and you are always ready in the event of an emergency.
So how does it work? Like if you want to get this as a gift through Augason Farms?
All right. So go to AugasonFarms.com. We've got everything. If you want kits, they're pre-curated, breakfast, lunches, and dinners. We've got that. Buy one of those, and then if you wanted to add, I would like blueberries or strawberries or whatever for my oatmeal, you can add that in too.
And they're dried, I'm assuming?
Freeze-dried or dehydrated, whatever's the best quality, best tasting performance, if you will, food solution for that type.
Well, if you're running the gamut from 72-hour kits to dried blueberries for pancakes, I'm assuming there's a lot of options here.
Lots of options. We have a gluten-free tab. Pull down on it and you can see everything we have that's gluten-free. We're adding a kosher and a halal tab for everybody has different dietary needs. We have all that. We have proteins, we have breakfast, we have lunches and dinners and casseroles, and just the basic ingredients like eggs and butter and that kind of stuff. We have everything you need. Well, not everything. As much as we could have been able to curate at this point.
Within what you do, right? Okay.
As much as we do. But you can eat, and you're going to not just eat well, you're going to eat well. You can, we call it prepare for delicious. A couple years ago, we cleaned up our labels, we cleaned up everything about it, so it's high-quality food, fantastic packaging, 25 or 30-year shelf life. It's great.
Well, it sounds like a lot of options there. And for people who are looking to be able to give a gift, they obviously have some things they can work through. If they want to connect with you to help you kind of work through some of those options, how do they do that?
All right, AugasonFarms.com. That's the easy way to go. We've got 12 days of Christmas. We've got a new promotion coming up at the first of the year. It makes it really easy, free shipping. We have all this kind of stuff. If you get in there and you get it's a little, I don't know exactly where to go, my customer service team is incredible. And they will help you navigate that. And once you start, it's like going to the grocery store, really. You pull down, and that's like an aisle.
I want it's just proteins. In a bag.
It's just in a bag, or it's in a can, or it's in a pail. But we'll help you through that. And once you get started, it's super easy. And just say, okay, I would like to get a week's worth. Okay, that's great. Taste some of it. Then maybe it'd be good enough you might want 2 weeks worth of it. Because most of our customers now eat it regularly.
There you go. The gift that keeps on giving. Nathan Yearsley here from Augason Farms. Thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for having me.
We're back after this.